Welcome to this lecture where I'll be guiding you through the process of uploading CBT scores on the school portal. Let's get started. The portal address will be provided by the school administrator. So this will be the first page. You'll be required to enter your school code. I will enter the default school code here. Once you enter, just hold on. The portal will validate your entry, school validated, and you click on OK, then you click on proceed. So there you go. You will now enter your registered email address on the school, the one you use to register on the school portal. Okay, let me use a default account. Okay, I have my mail here. I'll use this. Make sure you enter the correct login details. Then click on login. Then you can see login successful. Click OK. Yes, you'll be redirected here. So once you are redirected, you will see your school information, your email, and so this is the dashboard. So where you can add students to your class, do settings, upload results, generate broadsheet, and so on and so forth. So now, for the purpose of this lecture, we are only moving to how to upload CBT questions. Then click on CBT questions. You can either do this on your laptop or on your phone. So once the page loads, this is the first page thing you see here. You can see CBT question settings. So which means you can select class. Just follow the procedure. It's very simple and easy to use. So if you click on class, you can see we have different classes here. Supposing I want to set CBT question for common entrance students, I'll just click on common entrance. So automatically the subjects that are available for common entrance students will come up here. Okay, let me use another class. Supposing I want to use SS1. Now we did not have any subject for SS1, so which means before you can set question, you need to create subject. So you can see there's no subject under this, so I can literally scroll down. Then you can see create / add new subject to class. So you can select the class SS1. So enter the subject name. Let me just say that let me just say PHE for instance, or let me use civic education. Then you click on create subjects. You can see new subject added successfully. Click on OK. If you want to delete that subject, you can come at the bottom here. You can see the civic education is here. You can click on delete. So then you can now scroll down. You can see that at the top here the subject has been added. So if you add more subjects, they will be in a list. So then select the term. Supposing you want to use third term. So with this type A, type B is for you to store your question. For instance, we are in third term and you want to set question for civic. So if you set it this third term, another teacher can also visit the school portal and set question in type B because there is question already in type A. So at a point in time, you can decide not to set CBT question and use among multiple questions that are already available. So that's the essence of this type A, type B. So if this is the first subject you are setting, you select type A. Then if the first thing here is attach diagram, that is, if your question has diagram, you can click on it and you attach the diagram. If there is none, the first thing here is serial number, which is question 1. You can see question illustration. If your question has illustration, you add it here. If there is no illustration, you leave it. Then you type or record your question. So let me just say that, who is the president of Nigeria? You can put dash. So I can just type Michael Bolaji Seun Tinubu Dapo. So now I've entered all the options, option A, option B to D. So you select the correct answer, the one you feel is your correct answer. So option C is my correct answer. Then you click on upload question. You can see question uploaded successfully. Click on OK. Cool. You can see automatically the portal has auto increment this serial number to question 2. Is assume that you want to do question 2. Now let me assume that my question 2 has image. I can click on choose file. Once you click on choose file, locate image on your phone. Let me just use this image for instance. Okay, let me use just this image, then select. Cool. You can see the preview here. So if there's illustration, let me just say this is question 2 illustration for civic edu. So this is my question. Yeah. So supposing this is your question, so you can put dash, you can put full stop, you can put anything. So I can just put the option there, yes, no, maybe, no idea. So you select the correct answer. If it is A, select, then you upload. Question uploaded successfully. So you are in question 3. So now question 3, if you want to, you can type the question is how many. So I will just fill in this particular portion to 5 questions. Okay, so I have set 5 questions. I just paused the video. So now that is how to set. That's basically how to set CBT question. The process is easy peasy. So in the next tutorial, I'll be walking us through on how to go about some other features in the CBT control room. Thank you very much. Okay, before I end the video, this is how you see those questions you have typed so far. Scroll down a little bit, you can see question preview. Yes, these are the list of questions I've typed. Question 2 has diagram. That is why you have this diagram, this text here. So you can see who is the president of Nigeria, option A, option B, option D. And so if you want to edit any of them, just click on it. Cool. The portal will return it here for you. If I want to edit number 5, you can see it will return it for me. So if as you are typing and you are uploading it, at the bottom you'll be seeing the update of what you are doing so far. If this did not load, check your internet and click on the refresh question. The question page will be refreshed. So thank you.